Intrepid Security introduces a new cost-effective fitting room warning unit to deter shoplifting. Fitting rooms can be a major source of loss for retailers where thieves attempt to remove tags and conceal goods. Our battery-operated, easy-to-install unit provides a powerful visual deterrent where you need it most. The fitting room warning unit is for deterrence only, with a warning message and flashing light. Aimed at opportunist shoplifters and those equipped with detachers, it gives the impression an alarm will sound if a tag is removed. Why choose this solution? High visibility. The fitting room warning unit features a clear warning message and flashing red light. Easy to install. It is wireless, battery-powered, and fixes to a wall with a sticker or backplate. Cost-effective. It stops speculative thieves before they damage or hide your stock. Protect your store. Contact the experts at Intrepid Security today.